Mindfulness is definitely simple, but it's not easy. Simple, but not easy. We're going to something that's foundational, but so very difficult in some ways. So, now that we've experienced mindfulness, let's just give it a bit of a definition. Mindfulness is the non-judgmental attention to experiences in the present moment. It involves attention on the experience of thoughts, body sensations, emotions, and observing them as they arise and go away. And so there are two very important components that I hope to have you all walk away with today about mindfulness, is that regulation of attention to keep it on the immediate experience is the goal. And approaching experiences with curiosity and openness and acceptance, regardless of whether they are positive or negative.